This is John again. It's the third video. I'm here at Wylie Park, May 27th, 2026. I read an article in the paper where they're outsourcing maintenance and upkeep for two of their parks, city council parks, whatever you want to call it. But they're not allocating anything special for here at Wylie Park. This is a tennis court area. No point in me going all down through there. If you ever come over here to visit, you'll see this not being maintained. Hasn't been maintained for a very long time. I don't know. You're not going to listen to me. I'm just one old man out here with a video camera, but it's always a possibility that some group who cares about things like this and will finally stand up and take a stand and demand every upkeep. I hear sounds like something going over there. Sounds like a weed eater or something. Look at this. Look at this. There's somebody over there with a weed eater. That's the first time I've ever seen anybody doing anything here. Look at that. Well, that's great. At least that person cares. I don't know if he's a city employee or just somebody decided to come over here and do anything. I'm 75 years old. I'm not going to get out here and kill myself trying to do this on my own. I've done that in the past and it just don't work. So you're seeing what you're seeing, and if you want to accept it, then that's up to you. I just think it's very sad. Thank you for listening.